Every garden deserves a burst of bold beauty, and nothing brings that striking color drama like the F1 Petunia Red Picotee, the flower that paints your home in vibrant elegance and effortless charm. The F1 Petunia Red Picotee is not just another petunia. It's a hybrid marvel crafted to dazzle your garden with vivid red blooms, rimmed by delicate white edges, creating a picture-perfect contrast that captivates anyone who passes by. This hybrid variety, adored across the USA, thrives in hanging baskets, window boxes, borders, and patio containers, making it a favorite for home gardeners looking to add a professional touch to their outdoor space. But growing this stunning variety requires understanding its unique rhythm, from the right sunlight and watering habits to fertilization routines and seasonal care. If you're new to gardening, don't worry. F1 Petunia Red Picotee is one of the easiest flowers to grow, and with a few simple tips, your space can transform into a color-filled paradise that lasts all season long. Let's dive into how to nurture these striking blooms like a pro and make them flourish year after year in your garden or balcony. The first step in growing F1 Petunia Red Picotee is understanding its love for sunlight. These hybrids are sun lovers that crave at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Whether you live in the sunny states of California, Texas, or Florida, or the milder climates of the Pacific Northwest, petunias adapt beautifully when given the right light exposure. If you're growing them indoors or on a shaded patio, place them near a south-facing window where they can bask in the morning and midday sun. Without enough light, blooms become smaller and the signature red-white contrast fades, so always prioritize bright conditions. Temperature is another crucial factor. The F1 Petunia Red Picotee thrives in moderate warmth, ideally between 60 degrees F and 75 degrees F, 15 degrees C to 24 degrees C. These plants prefer mild days and cool nights. If the temperature drops below 50 degrees F, move your pots indoors or cover them with a light frost cloth to prevent damage. In very hot states, try providing light afternoon shade to protect them from sun scorch while keeping their vivid color intact. Next comes the watering routine, a key element to growing healthy, lush F1 Petunia Red Picotee. These flowers love moisture, but absolutely dislike waterlogged roots. The golden rule is keep the soil moist but not soggy. Water them deeply every 2 and 3 days during warmer months, but always check the top inch of soil before watering. If it feels dry to touch, it's time to water. For potted petunias, make sure containers have good drainage holes, as stagnant water can lead to root rot and yellowing leaves. Early morning watering works best since it allows moisture to reach roots before the sun intensifies. When it comes to fertilizing, the F1 Petunia Red Picotee responds well to regular feeding. To encourage non-stop blooms, use a balanced liquid fertilizers 10-10-10 or 20-20-20 every 2 weeks during the growing season. For gardeners who prefer organic options, compost tea or fish emulsion works wonders. Always feed at the soil level rather than over the leaves to avoid burns. Remember, healthy feeding equals consistent flowering, especially during mid-summer when these hybrids are at their most productive. pruning and deadheading play a massive role in maintaining the plant's lush shape. Regularly pinch back faded flowers and leggy stems to encourage new growth and branching. This simple routine keeps your F1 Petunia Red Picotee compact and continuously blooming instead of growing tall and sparse. If you notice the plant looking tired mid-season, trim it back by about 1/3 and follow with a gentle dose of fertilizer and watering. Within 2 weeks, you'll see fresh growth and another explosion of blooms. Now, like any plant, even this hardy hybrid has its common challenges. The most frequent ones are aphids, spider mites, and powdery mildew. To prevent pests, spray your petunia every few weeks with a mild neem oil solution or insecticidal soap. For mildew, improve air circulation and avoid overhead watering. If you ever spot sticky leaves or discolored petals, take quick action. The earlier you intervene, the faster your plant recovers. The soil is another silent hero behind the success of your F1 Petunia Red Picotee. Use well-draining potting mix rich in organic matter, ideally containing peat moss and perlite. Petunias prefer slightly acidic soil with a pH between 6.0 and 6.5. If you're planting directly in garden beds, mix compost or aged manure before planting to enrich the soil and support root health. In pots, repot every spring for renewed growth and vibrant flowers. During winter or cold months, most petunias are grown as annuals in the USA. However, if you live in zones 9 to 11, your F1 Petunia Red Picotee may survive year-round with proper protection. To overwinter them in cooler areas, take cuttings from healthy plants and root them indoors in bright light to replant in spring. When planting from seed, sow F1 Petunia Red Picotee seeds indoors 8 to 10 weeks before the last frost date. Sprinkle seeds lightly on top of moist seed mix. They need light to germinate, so don't cover them with soil. Keep the temperature around 70 degrees and mist daily until seedlings emerge in 10 to 14 days. Once they develop 2 sets of true leaves, transplant them into small pots and later outdoors after frost risk passes. Within weeks, you'll have strong, budding plants ready to bring color to your world. Your F1 Petunia Red Picotee also makes a great companion for marigolds, lobelias, and verbenas, plants that share similar sunlight and watering needs. Together, they create a vivid tapestry of colors, perfect for front yards, patio displays, or garden walkways. If you're aiming for that full, professional look, plant multiple petunias together about 10 inches apart to form a thick, lush carpet of flowers. Regular grooming and timely feeding will reward you with non-stop color all season long. This flower's cheerful resilience and endless blossoms make it one of the most rewarding additions to any garden. So, whether you're growing them in baskets hanging by your porch, lining your walkways, or adorning your balcony, the F1 Petunia Red Picotee is bound to draw smiles and compliments. Its show-stopping beauty, combined with easy maintenance, makes it an ideal pick for gardeners who love results without high effort. Start growing your F1 Petunia Red Picotee today. Let its radiant blooms turn your space into a living masterpiece. Grow with Nature Nurture Hub and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more plant care tips and gardening inspiration. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub, your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.